Hi, I received this automatic soap dispenser as a gift so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. And I'm about to install it. So come along with me. We're going to put this together. I have this utility sink in my laundry room. That's the perfect place to put this convenient soap dispenser. Prep the wall. 4 AA batteries not included with this, so you'll need to supply those. They go in that compartment. You do a long press on the power button to turn it on. Short presses will adjust the amount of soap that comes out. So you can mount this with either screws or this big sticker. I chose the sticker. And you'll notice there's those 2 round things there. There's little screws that screw into those so that you can mount the dispensers. So putting the sticker on, you'll want to press all of the air out of the sticker so that it's flush on the wall. You need a flat wall, nothing with texture. So then you're going to want the flat screws. You put the backing on, put the flat short screws in the holes, and then you push down on the backing there so that it locks into place. And you can see I'm just kind of adjusting the screws so that they're not too tight. Once I get it in place, then I'm going to tighten the screws. That is the spot that goes on that notch, and then the smaller notch at the bottom. You just slide it on, super, super easy. That is a plastic key for the top. So you turn it to take the lid off, and then you're going to fill up the soap dispenser with whatever type of soap you would like to use. I just use this plain clear liquid soap. Put the lid back on and then use that white plastic key again to lock that lid in place. Okay, we're going to try it out. It works. That's great. Now I can wash my hands here at my utility sink. I highly recommend this. Thanks.